What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. We are at grandma's house, guys. We're getting ready to try to get the Nissan Maxima going. I've been trying to get something going for my daughter to drive, guys, so I'm gonna try to get this one going where she can practice in this one versus the expensive cars. She can just go ahead and practice in this one. So I found the key. I had lost the key. What it needs is the ECM. So I already started taking stuff apart, guys, and I can see the ECM right there, but you gotta remove the stereo and everything else. So I'm gonna start working on that. I'm gonna get my tools ready, and y'all already know the routine. I'll see y'all right after this intro.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
So the instructions say pop this out first. There's spider webs everywhere, and then pop out the man, there's a spider on me. Pop this out and then pop out the bottom. I hope this come on out. It's gonna be hard to get on this side. Oh, there we go. I don't want to break it. It just goes up like that. Now, shoot, somebody already took it out. The screws out. That's what I did. No, this car been parked for 4 years. Probably need to. Yep, I need to unscrew that. Yep. See it right there. This is a hidden screw in the ashtray. It's coming out, Grandma. The stereo. Yep. Oh, Grandma. I should have checked the seat before I just sat down in here, though. There was some little spiders in here. I mean, they weren't big, but still. Man, I should have brought the key. Uh-oh, need a magnet for that. Maybe I feel like we need to pull this out. Alright, let me check the instructions real quick.
What you doing? Ha ha ha!
Well, guys, so you just go around with the trim tool, pop this out, but I left the key and I need to move this shifter so I can get this piece out of the way. There's two 8mm bolts back there, and then it was supposed to be two right here. It's moving, but I just don't have enough space to try to clear this. I'm gonna keep trying, but man, probably better just go back to the house and get the freaking key, man. All right, I'm back with the key, but I don't think this, I think you gotta have a battery. I don't know. Okay, so maybe we can put it in neutral. Nope, I think you gotta have a, God dang. There's a safety switch up. They got a safety switch? Oh, I done covered it up. I think it did got a safety switch. Well, guys, I was trying to do this real quick, and it ain't going that quick. So that's not gonna be the same because we had to get a new key made. I mean, no, it should be the same because I didn't change the ignition. There we go. Ah, don't tell me I drove off and I could have just, never mind. I ain't gonna even say it. So, alright, now, God dang it. I'll pop this back out, guys, and we'll see if we can see the screws. I unhooked the emergency hazard lights, and what else did I unhook? One other one. I couldn't get the cigarette lighter one off, man. I'm gonna just roll it over for now for video purposes. Oh yeah, and the ashtray light. But we gotta, I was trying to do this before it got dark, and it's like I ain't gonna make it. All I want to do today, guys, is get access to the ECM. That's what we're replacing. So I got a new ECM and new, god dang, I'll tell y'all in a minute. It goes around that key. Let me take this real quick. Well, guys, it's getting late on me. I got the stereo out, but they say remove the stereo for access to the ECM. You can't even see the ECM from here. I think I should have just pulled off both side panels. The other side panel's still on the other side. So, as you can see, the ECM is right there. So, I don't know what good that was gonna do, removing all that. Unless you just gotta get to the screws. I mean, maybe. But, yeah, we'll call it good for today. And then we'll start back tomorrow.
5 hours later.
Day 2, guys. I'm back. I'm moving fast so I can try to beat the sun. I just got off of work. I do work a day job too. But look, guys, I was fighting trying to get this panel out all last night. Let me scoot back. And then look, you can see the back of the ECM right here. It ain't even freaking covered. So I don't know what the heck. But ChatGPT, they said pull the stereo out. So I don't know. Maybe I need to pull the stereo out to unbolt it, but that lever just goes like that. And boom, ECM is fixing to be unplugged. Right there. Computer unplugged. Now, I just gotta see how to get to the bolts on it. Huh. But see all these other wires on top of that thing. I need to move that stuff. Alright, so let me figure that part out. Right, Waddy? Mm-hmm. It's gonna be hard to show y'all, but I got one out of the back. I had to use a little bitty wrench. You can't get on it with a socket. So look, right here where I got the light, that's another one. And then 2 more on the other side. So, I'm gonna see if I can get it out today, guys. Moving fast as I can, guys. We in action. So, I should have even showed y'all the box. But I ordered this off of eBay. They don't sell these no more, for sure. So this one is refurbished, if you will. And yeah, I undid them 2 bolts on that other side, and look. And all we gonna do is match this bad boy up. Uh-oh, that's a G7, this one say KB. I hope that don't mean nothing, but then we'll slide this one in. That's it, man. Crazy. And I ain't putting all 4 back in there. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all. Probably be 2 in there just to hold it secure. So, yep. Let's see which one wasn't that bad. I think I'm gonna put the 2 front ones in. Yep. I'll put the 2 front ones in, and then we'll call it good. I'm gonna do the other side too. but I need both my hands. Ah, dang it. Guys, I was just joking. I put them all back in except for one on this back side. I can't get it in there. But all the other three are in. So now, just slide that back down that way. Shit. So I didn't have to pull the stereo out. So those of y'all that skipped through the video, didn't watch to the end, and then y'all pulled the dang stereo out, that's on you. But yeah. Hold up. Oh, it's clipped. Hold on, we gotta unclip that because we gotta lock it down. Come on, man. You can't do nothing with one hand though. I gotta get that unclipped. God dang it. There we go. There it goes. It's locking in. There it goes. There we go. That seemed a little loose though. I hope we locked in good. Ain't it's locked. Alright guys, and then it's gonna be freezing tomorrow. I kinda I need to go ahead and put this deal on there. I forgot what it's called, but it came with that too. The anti-theft deal. The immobilizer. I just thought about it off the top of my head. Man, I might go on and do it, guys. That way everything will be ready to go. I'll put a new battery, get some gas, and we'll see what it do. I might go on and do it. Let me see, man. See how hard this gonna be. Oh shoot. Man, this one screw. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do this, guys. Yep. We'll go ahead and put this on. That way I don't forget about it. Cause they say if you started with that new ECM and you don't change this out, and the it's a sensor too on the throttle body I need to change too before I try to start it. It'll burn up the ECM on these cars, so I gotta get that sensor too anyways. But while I'm here, I'm gonna probably go ahead and pull this off. Let me shut this door, and then yeah, I ain't coming over here tomorrow to work on this, not in the cold. So let's see. Oh yeah, it's right there. So I just gotta unhook it. I gotta get down under there. Unhook the clip, and then the screw will be, let's see, the screw will be behind. Dang, I didn't get to that screw. Uh-oh. Dude, that thing's broke. Oh. Okay, that's how you get to it. Pull this off. Just trying to make sure, y'all. My bad. With the camera. Trying to see what that screw look like. Okay. You gotta get it from the top. Right there. I see it. Can y'all see it? Look, it's right there. I'm already on it. Oh, dang. It's gonna be fun getting that back in there too. it's loosening up, y'all. I know you really can't see, but I'm trying to get this done. Okay. Boom. There it is. And then I gotta figure out how to unhook this clip. I should have did that first. Unhook the clip first. That part's off. Boom. We got it. We got it. And then where's the new one at? Where's the new one? What'd I do with it that fast? Did I not bring it? Oh, here it is. So this will make it compatible with the ECM on these cars. I mean, hold on. Yeah, y'all can see. Alright. Let's swap it over. Good to go. Throw down the old one. Over there. There we go. I got it. Cause I'm a bad mama jamma. Alright, let me screw that in. Drop down in the comments how many of y'all think this car gonna start. I don't even know how long it's been sitting. The last time the oil change was done was in 2018. I don't know if this is screwing in or not. I need to put the camera down. But y'all see the gist of it. So just tighten that back up and then plug it in and we ready to go. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it. And look, it got all the parts in here. All them damn spiders. That battery of 2019. Seats, everything good though. Everything good. Yep. Just a good cleaning up, man. This thing gonna be ready. Alright, I'm gonna call it, guys. Call it a day. Put my tools up. Go speak to my grandma. Holler at her real quick. I'm going to the house. I gotta edit a video for y'all. And I got night classes I gotta do. It's like, guys, I'm always busy. Always busy, man. Just trying to elevate, man, and keep going up. But yeah, I'll let y'all know how it goes. I don't know if I'm gonna drop. I don't know if I'm gonna drop the fuel tank or what. Hopefully it ain't no gas in the car. That way we can just pump good gas in it and get it freaking going. But I'll probably unhook the fuel line and at least just have the good gas running through there first, because it ain't been started in years. And also check the oil and all that good stuff. So we'll do an oil change and all that. I think I got all my stuff. Got my phone. All right, I got everything, guys, and I'll let y'all know how this go. Also, man, we gonna come pick this one up. I'm tired of driving that truck to work, so I'm gonna come pick this one up. But we doing all that work at my house, so that's why I ain't picked it up yet, because I gotta get all the parking spots done. All right, guys, we'll see y'all later on.